Hello students, once again I am in front of you with the third video from class 3 lesson 4, The Woodpecker, written by Elizabeth Maddox Roberts. So in this video we are going to complete the grammar exercises given in this lesson. So let's start. Question is, टॉक अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन यू वेर सडनली काउट इन द रेन। आप अपने अनुभव के बारे में बताइए जब अचानक ही आपको बारिश ने पकड़ लिया हो, यानी आप कहीं जा रहे हो, कहीं पर हो और अचानक ही आपको बारिश पकड़ ले, उसके बारे में बताना है। और कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए थे वो मैं आपको पढ़ करके बता देता हूँ। ड्रीजल, लाइट शॉवर्स, हैवी डाउनपोर, थंडर, लाइटनिंग, रनिंग फॉर कवर, स्केयर्ड, फेयर टर्न्स टू जॉय, एन्जॉयड द शावर। ये कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिसका कि उपयोग करके आपको ये करना था। यूज़ द गिवन आइडियाज़ बिलो। एक्सटेम्पोराइज, एक्सटेम्पोराइज का अर्थ होता है इम्प्रोवाइज, यानी अपने इस लेख को और अच्छा करने के लिए जो वर्ड्स मैंने अभी आपके सामने पढ़े हैं उसका उपयोग करना था। राइट द स्पोकन टेक्स्ट हियर, और वो टेक्स्ट आपको लिखना था। Well, read it. You have to look at the screen very carefully, as it is a little bit blur. But if you will look carefully, you may easily understand whatever I have tried to written. It was clear day, and it was clear day, and I, along with my parents, had planned for outing. We took an auto rickshaw and reached market. The sky was clear at that time. The sky was clear. At once, the sky was filled with black clouds. और अचानक ही आकाश जो था वो काले बादलों से ढक गया, भर गया। Now it was breezing up. थोड़ी थोड़ी मध्यम हवा भी चलने लगी। We were now in hurry, और अब हम लोग हड़बड़ी करने लगे कि अब जल्द से जल्द घर पहुंचना चाहिए। Soon after some time, और ठीक कुछ देर बाद it started drizzling. धीरे धीरे मध्यम रेशे करके बारिश होने लगी। After a while, और उसके कुछ देर के बाद अभी मध्यम बारिश हो ही रही थी। Light shower started. लाइट शॉवर मतलब अब बारिश जो है वो शुरू हो गई। I was enjoying the rain. अब मुझे उस बारिश में मज़ा आने लगा था। But my father was running for cover. लेकिन मेरे पिताजी भीगने से बचना चाहते थे। We hired an auto rickshaw and left for the home. हम लोगों ने जल्दी से एक ऑटो रिक्शा लिया और घर के लिए निकल पड़े। Meanwhile the sky got darker and darker. इससे बीच आकाश काला, सघन काला होता गया। And there was thunder and lightning. बादलों की तेज गड़गड़ाहट और बिजली जोर से चमकने लगी। I now got scared. अब मैं डर गया था। I hid myself in the arms of my gracious mother. मैंने खुद को अपने माँ के बाहों में जाकर के अपने आप को समेट लिया। Heavy downpour had started. जोरदार बारिश शुरू हो चुकी थी। We somehow reached home. किसी तरीके से हम लोग घर पहुँचे। Now I was feeling safe and relaxed. अब मैं काफ़ी सुरक्षित और रिलैक्स्ड, आराम महसूस कर रहा था। So this was a experience when I suddenly caught in the rain. Now let's move to the next question. Here are some of the sentences in which you have to underline the pronouns. So you can see here he, she, it, they, them, their, his, her, you, I, we, us, that, those. These all comes into the pronoun. So in this sentence, underline the pronouns in the given sentences. We are leaving for Bhopal tomorrow. So what is we? We is the pronoun here. I went shopping yesterday. I is the pronoun here. They are practicing at the stadium. They is pronoun here. She cried bitterly when he left. She and he. These are the pronouns here. Those mangoes are sour. Those are pronoun here. Those here in the sentence, those is pronoun. Now let's move to the vocabulary section, means the words. How enough you have the hordes of words. Little, three options has been given here, and among the three you have to choose the best synonyms or similar in the meaning word for the given word. In A there is little, the right answer will be teeny. Little means छोटा और teeny का मतलब भी क्या होता है, छोटा. So 3 answer for A will be 3. B. In B the word is house and the synonyms for house will be number 3 living. Big means gigantic. बिग मतलब बड़ा, जिजेंटिक मतलब भी विशाल या बड़ा होता है. स्नगल का अर्थ होता है कडल, लिपट जाना. राउंड का सिनोनियम्स यहाँ हो जाएगा सर्कुलर. So these were some of the words with the vocabulary. Now in the next part what you have to do, you have to write down the rhyming words for the given words. Sky I have already done it for you. Fly, cry, dry, hood, food, should, could. These are some of the rhyming words. Round, bound, ground, hound. These are also rhyming words for round. House, mouse, louse, cows, wheel, bill, shrill, drill, day, bay, hay, shay, table, able, pebble, suitable, disable. You may write anything. Cheese. For cheese I have written crease, freeze, lease, L-E-A-S-E, lease. So these are the rhyming words for the given words. Now let's beyond the text. The last question given in this lesson. Beyond the text means the things which are not included in your text also. Beyond the text. So what you have to do? Can you find out the homes of the animals or birds given below by matching the column? In column A, the name of the animals has been given, and the column B, their house has been given, and you have to match them. I have already done it for you. Rabbit, bureau, lion, den, bees, hive, spider, web, snake, hole, horse, stable, dog, kennel, cow, shed, bat, cave or roost. So students, this is all for today. Don't forget to go through this lesson. Keep learning. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.